One of the benefits of living in the British countryside is the large variety of birds you can see in the wild. Look at this thrush. He's forgotten where he's supposed to be going. There's a backskipper. Here's a magpie. He's stolen some filthy cotton wool from a local hospital. Dirty bird. Robins are very good with their beaks. This robin's making a model of himself. It's pretty lifelike. There's a piggy bird. It's fat, isn't it? Here's a pair of tits. And there's some upside-down pigeons. Over in the thickets and shrubs, we can see some different kinds of birds. This is a starling. It's migrated all the way from Russia. Here's its neighbor, a woodfinch. It's feeling a bit guilty because it's just eaten one of its own eggs. Over in the pond, there's a couple of worker ducks. They're digging a hole. This duck's being used as a sort of prostitute. She's normally paid in worms. Baby birds are called bees. This bee stung itself by mistake. Silly bee. Up in the tree, we can spot a chicken. Look at its legs. Birds. These mysterious, beautiful creatures that came to our planet suddenly in 1962 are still an enigma today. There are thousands of fascinating birds living in the British countryside. You just have to know where to look for them.